Tired of Wi-Fi dead zones in your home or office? In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to configure your OpenWRT router as a wireless repeater. This will take your existing Wi-Fi signal, amplify it, and rebroadcast it to cover those hard-to-reach areas. Let's get started. Step: Connection with router. First, connect your laptop or desktop to OpenWRT router LAN port and power on router, if already not. Step 2. Access the web interface. Open your web browser and type default IP address 192.168.1.1. You'll be prompted for a username and password. The default username is root. No default password set. After login, click Go to Password Configuration to set login password. Create a strong login password and press Save and Apply button. Step 3. Change the default login IP address. Most of the Wi-Fi router used 192.168.1.1 as default IP address. So before Setup OpenWRT, as range extender, change the default IP address to avoid IP conflict with main router. Go to Network, then Interface option. Edit LAN settings to change IP address. Type new IP address and press Save and Apply button. After IP change, log in again OpenWRT with new IP address. Step 4. Scan for the main network. Navigate to Network, then Wi-Fi. Press the Scan button and wait while scanning going on. The router will now scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find your main network's SSID from the list and click Join Network. You will redirect to Next Steps. In the WPA passphrase field, enter the password for your main Wi-Fi network. Look at the bottom field labeled Firewall Zone. Set it to WAN if by default LAN selected, and press Submit button. You will redirect it to Wireless Settings. Scroll down page and under Wireless Settings. Now select Wireless Mode from Client to Client WDS and press Save and Apply button. After changes applied, you will see OpenWRT connected to your main Wi-Fi router, showing signal strength. Once your main router successfully connected to OpenWRT router, now create Extender Network. Step 5. Create Extender Network. Navigate Network, then Wi-Fi again. Now press the Add button. Scroll down page. In the ESSID box, create Wi-Fi name for Extender Network and set the mode to access point. Under Network option, check the box LAN and W on that newly created interface for OpenWRT client. Go to Wireless Security tab to set Extender Wi-Fi password. Select encryption type and create new Wi-Fi key for Extender Network and press Save and Apply button. Wait while settings being applied. Step 6. Connect Extender Network. The router will now apply the settings. It might take a minute to restart the network services. Once it's done, you can disconnect the Ethernet cable. Now, grab your phone or laptop and look for the new Wi-Fi network you created. Use the Wi-Fi password configured for Extender Network and connect it. Test internet and enjoy the extended Wi-Fi range with your OpenWRT router. Congratulations! You've successfully built a Wi-Fi range extender using OpenWRT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more OpenWRT guides. Thanks for watching.